all be blessed by the pure divine power. I congratulate and bless all the dear souls who are all watching and observing the spiritual education channel in the YouTube and the speeches, lectures, demonstrations given by Dr. Gopalji. Today, let us see about what is self realization. Self means things, denotes and defines about oneself. Realization means understanding or getting more awareness or the experience about himself. This is very, very important. Self realization plays key role in one man's life. Why self realization is important? Why it is needed? We cannot live without that self realization. Many of them are living like that only. But if one who has come to that level of self realization, he will be in ecstasy in this universe. Everyone knows that universe, the vast, eternal. We cannot define about this. Somebody says beyond the universe, the pure space, beyond the physics, beyond the universe, a dark space, and many scientists they are telling that it is a dark area which attracts everything. So there are a lot of things are available around us. But to live happily, understand the concept of the life, and living a peaceful, harmonious, happy life, you need self realization. Self realization, the great and Greek philosopher Socrates, in his words, he said, know thyself. That means know yourself. First, know about you. You are learning about many things around you. This, that's all. So many things. You are learning so many subjects that are all around you. But you know yourself. So, many people, Vivekananda said, if you attain the state of self realization, this universe is yours. So, what is self realization? In Tamil also, so the happiness and worries or depends upon the self realization. The people, because of unaware of this self realization, they are in miseries. They are all in worries. Even they are all in diseases. A spiritual scientist, Tirumular, rightly said, தன்னை அறிய தனக்கொரு கேடில்லை, தன்னை அறியாமல் தானே கெடுகின்றார். தன்னை அறியும் உபாயம் அறிந்தபின் தன்னையே அர்ச்சிக்கத்தான் இருந்தாரே. Like that, a cinema poet, Kannadasan also said in his songs, உன்னை அறிந்தால் நீ உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தில் போராடலாம். உயர்ந்தாலும் தாழ்ந்தாலும் தலை வணங்காமல் நீ வாழலாம். So, to live in this world with peace and happiness, self-awareness, self-realization is very important. So let us see it shortly. What is self-realization? So self, you must know about you. You may know about everything, about India or about Asia continent, about all the countries. You know geography, mathematics, science, English, Tamil, literatures, so many languages. You may know so many things. But you must study about yourself first. Because this self-realization begins within you. What is your body? How the body is made up of? From where this body has come? So you must have a clear idea about this body, your body. And your mind, because the mind is the master of the body. What the mind instructs, what the mind commands, and the body functions accordingly. So, you must know about the body and mind. And the third one is life force, which is the primary thing, which is an important thing for the function of mind and body. So, you must know about your life force. So you must know clearly about the body, mind, life force. And above, another important thing is available within you. Most of the people says about that, we call it soul. In other words, easily you can understand Atma. So that is also within you. You must know about these four things. What is body, what is mind, what is life force, what is soul or Atma. And if you know all these things, you will go beyond this. You can go beyond this. So what is universe? What is this cosmic energy? How we are surviving? Without this universal energy, you cannot survive. Every creations in this world or in any planet, without this universal energy or universal magnetism or cosmic energy, nothing will be survived. So you must know about this universe. And some more secret things are there beyond universe. So these are all very important for a common man to learn, to understand. For this understanding, you need a master or a guru. Then only you can have a clear idea. You can see the body, but you cannot see the mind, life force, soul or Atma, or the cosmic energy, or this is space, and beyond the space, pure space. So many things are invisible, that we call it invisible forces. So how we are all controlled by these universal forces. So understanding all these things is self-realization. So in our spiritual education, to understand all these things, invisible forces, we are conducting various classes and meditation classes. And we are giving a lot of practices to know clearly about the body, mind, life force, soul, and this pranic energy or cosmic energy, and the universe, beyond the universe, the space and beyond the space, pure space. So this is a real subject everyone must know. If we know, we have a full idea about our life, how our life is functioning, how our life is controlling by other forces. So, self-realization plays key role in everybody's life. In future, please watch our spiritual education YouTube channels, and for self-realization and attaining to the enlightened master's level, we are conducting various courses and practices. Please subscribe to this spiritual education channel and attune yourself. Join yourself in the courses will be conducted by Dr. Gopalji. We'll meet soon. Prayers and blessings to all the observers, all the watchers, and spiritual seekers. I pray you all obtain good health, long life, real wealth, real fame, real wisdom, and real knowledge to attain, to achieve your goals, aims, and ambitions. All the best.